guys, today's video is going to be another haul video. I got another box from Jomar. They actually saw my last video and they contacted me and said, hey, we want to send you another box. I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is the Hipster 2.0 box. In my previous Jomar video, I got the Hipster, just the regular Hipster 1.0 box, but this is the 2.0. First thing in the box is this Pendleton size small. This is just a wool flannel shirt. Got little patches on the sleeves. Looks like this. Very nice. Right, next we have some Lee jeans. The size tag is ripped out, so I'm going to have to measure them. This is what they look like. Hold on, should I close my window? Get lines. Does that help? There we go. Okay. Look like this. High-waisted mom jeans, black denim. And they are a raw hem at the bottom. My camera's gonna die. Next we have some 501 jeans. These are size 30, 34. This is what they look like. They're in really, really good condition. Like that. Got this shirt. This is the size extra large. It says Renegades on it, so I'm assuming this was like a men's baseball team or softball team with a number on the back. I'm probably just gonna redonate this. It is single stitch, so it is a vintage shirt, but let me see. Yeah, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. That's another way to tell if something's vintage. Usually the blend is 50-50, single stitch. I don't know, I might keep this, wear it to bed. I don't know. Cool shirt. It is a Harley Davidson shirt. It says size extra large, but well, because it's cropped, I would say more like a large, but it's a Harley Davidson long sleeve cropped shirt. And then in the back, I got people trying to break in here. The back, it's kind of like cut. Okay, this shirt, I don't know the brand and I don't know the size. It's pretty big. I would say, ooh, maybe like a 2X. It's definitely vintage. This is what it looks like. Really, really cool. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but it's the same thing on the back. All right, this shirt, I don't know. The brand says Unif. Unif, there's the tag. Size small. Looks like this. It says the end. The end. I'm almost there. I don't know. I don't know what that means. All right, we have a Mark by Mark Jacobs tank top, size medium. It's got this really cool girl in the front with a zipper mouth. This is a vintage shirt. I don't know what size it is. I would say maybe a men's extra large. It says, Howl at the Moon, Okaloosa Island, world's most dangerous party animal. Like that. This shirt is sick. It's a size extra large and it's got this mountain lion on it, I think. See if there's a date on it. 1993. This is sick. It's a mountain lion, right? Yeah, I think it's a mountain lion. Look at that. Oh! This shirt says Ripple Junction size medium. It's just a black shirt with like flames on the sleeves. Like, whoa. I don't know if I'm gonna try to sell this. I might just redonate it. It is Live Nation merchandise size small. It says Bowie. I'm assuming David Bowie. It's like a baseball ringer tee. The rest is denim. More 501 jeans. These are size 28. Like this. These are in excellent condition. Excellent. All right, we have a pair of Levi's wedgie jeans, size 24. Look like this. These have the big E on the back, so yeah, wedgie jeans. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look them up. I've never heard of them before, but they're just black and they're in excellent condition. I have a denim jacket from Topshop. This is Topshop Moto jacket, size 6. It's like cut off raw hem crop jean jacket. Some more Levi's. These are $5.50, size 28, 5.50. Look like this. These are in excellent condition. Back. We have a Wrangler denim skirt, size 31-30. How do you measure skirt length? The size says 31-30. And it's raw hem at the bottom. Some Levi's 701 jeans. And it has the big E on the back. I'm gonna have to look these up. I feel like these are really old, but they're in really, really, really good condition. They're just wrinkled because they came out of the dryer. But yeah, these are in really, really good condition. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is this Levi's Sherpa jacket. This says it's a Sherpa jacket, size small, but it's a denim Sherpa jacket. This is big. This must be a men's small. But yeah, looks like this. It's got the Sherpa lining. Really, really nice. The sleeves aren't lined though. It's just the body. Really, really nice. This is in excellent condition. That's everything that I got in my Jomar Hipster 2.0 box. I'm really excited about almost everything. I mean, there's like a t-shirt or two that I probably won't sell, but for everything else, I'm going to try to sell. And I'm really curious about those 570 jeans. I'm gonna go look those up and see what the deal is with them. I will also link the Jomar website down below. I think I have a coupon code. I think I do. Or I think if you use my link, you get money off and you get points. Check the description box. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.